When is the best time to make a move? This is Jeremy and Elizabeth Wilson with this month's market update. The best time to make a move is when you or your family has a need that requires a move. A new baby, kids off to college, moving into or out of town, or just need more space. Quality of life is important, so when life says move, we're here for you.
But how about if you just have the itch to make a move? How do you know if it's a good time? One rule of thumb is it's always a good time to buy or sell if it's a seller's market. In a seller's market, prices tend to increase faster than in a balanced market. Selling your house in a seller's market is advantageous if you're selling and buying to move up or down. You may have to get creative with structuring the sale and the purchase, but that's one of the things we're here to help with. In these market conditions, there is no advantage to waiting. Especially with our current appreciation rates plus current interest rates, waiting can be very costly.
Some sellers today think the market is due for a downturn. They think, I'll sell today and rent for a while. Prices are sure to come down. However, there are flaws to this logic. Prices only drop in a sustained buyer's market. We've been in a strong seller's market for a long time, and for prices to drop, we need to first shift to a balanced market and then move into a buyer's market for an extended period of time.
In 2005, when we had the crash, it took 8 months to move from a seller's market to a balanced market, and prices continued to increase during that time. And then it took 3 more months to move into a buyer's market and 8 more months to see prices impacted. We're in a market today that's significantly hotter than it was in 2005. Waiting today may mean waiting for a year or 2 or even 3 for prices to drop. While you're waiting, you're paying rent, not building equity, not claiming the potential tax advantages of homeownership, and dealing with rising rental rates. The shortage of housing in the valley is not going away. More people are moving here than any other city in the country at an increasing rate, driving up demand and prices for rentals and purchases. Waiting to sell and buy will likely cost you money.
As a buyer, it may be frustrating to win a property in this very strong seller's market. But when you do, your equity growth begins almost immediately. Real estate remains the best way to build long-term wealth.
Whether you're considering buying or selling, waiting will most likely cost you money. There are strategies to win in this market, and we can help you do that. Just give us a call. We're Jeremy and Elizabeth Wilson with Sotheby International Realty.